I know you want to use voice chat on Roblox. Here's how to enable it and start talking with friends in game. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps or you'll be cursed for life. Step 1, check eligibility. First, make sure your account is eligible for voice chat. To enable voice chat, you must be 13 years or older. Roblox will verify your age to make sure you meet the requirements. Step 2, enable voice chat in settings. Next, go to your Roblox settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Then, head to the privacy tab and scroll down to voice chat. Turn it on by clicking the toggle button. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. I was kidding about being cursed for life, by the way, but make sure you do that. Step 3, verify your age. If you haven't already, you'll need to verify your age. Roblox will ask for a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, to confirm your age. Step 4, start using voice chat. Once voice chat is enabled, join any game that supports voice chat and look for the microphone icon. You'll be able to talk to other players within the game. Make sure your microphone is connected and works. Step 5, adjust voice chat settings. You can also adjust your voice chat settings within Roblox to control who can hear you or who you can hear. This helps customize your experience and manage privacy while using voice. That's how to get voice chat on Roblox. Verify your age, turn on voice chat, and start chatting in your favorite games. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.